actually graduated out of marketing and finance. Because of the COVID and the recession and everything, I was not getting any job. So that's where whatever came into me, I just opted and I just went ahead with it. My name is Sandhya Harish, and I have done my graduation in Bangalore itself. But due to certain circumstances and all that, I got placed in a domain which was operations. After that, I had 2 years gap. So I got a role wherein it's business development and operations. So I was not very keen about business development, but only because it came to me and I didn't want to sit idle, I went ahead and chose it. But after some time I got and I did not like to work in that domain anymore. So that's when I quit the job again, and then everybody was giving me so many options, you can do this, you can do manual testing, you can switch into so many fields, why you sitting idle and all of that. So that's where I was so confused that I wanted to see and within me, and I wanted to see what is actually good for me. So that's where I thought about career counseling and I went ahead. So I was actually looking out for a number of career counseling options, but then my best friend, he had already taken this career counseling back in, I think, when he was in PU. It really helped him a lot apparently, and that's where he suggested me that you can actually go to them and they'll really help you out. So that's when I got your contact details and I got in touch with the company. They took 2 tests apparently in the starting that actually analyzed my personality and my interests. So depending upon that, they there were more than, I think, 200-300 questions in the test, which actually helped you analyze yourself in the test itself. Half the clarity it itself gave, and half of it you got it through after that I had a session with the counselor. So she explained me what your personalities are, what your strengths are, what your weaknesses are, so what can be good for you and what cannot be. So depending upon that, they never said no to anything, but they told that a certain career you can do really well in that. So that's where I analyzed, okay, that should be my career path, that should be my goal. Quite a little bit, I thought certain careers were a big no to me, but I thought I was just really bad at it, but I'm not really. Through the questions and everything, I feel that I could have also done that. That would have also been one of my career paths. But I mean, it's too late, but yeah. I mean, see, there are so many people out there just doing jobs just because, I mean, just like me, whatever you got, just go by the way, just make money. But I think at the end of the day, you should look into I think when you like something, when you love what you're doing, you will achieve even more better. So I think you should figure out what you really want to do and then go in the same path. I think you'll grow in a even more better pace and a rapid pace. So yeah, I think you should really go for really some good career counseling with Set My Career, and that's going to be great.